In this video, I'm going to be going over specifically the one-click buy feature in Compass. To navigate to this, you just go to a collection in Compass that you would like to use it on. For this video, I'll be using weirdos. Okay, so this one-click buy feature does is it allows you to, with the click of one button, open a Metamask transaction to buy a listing as it's coming in. So there's quite a bit to this tool in the ways that it can benefit you, and a lot of that comes from this analytics page, but that will be explained in another video. In this video, I'm going to go over the security risks of a one-click buy and what to look out for, and what to know before getting yourself into a one-click buy. So first I'll teach you a bit about a Metamask transaction. So when you're buying something in Metamask, there are a few things you want to watch out for when using the one-click buy. The first being who you're sending it to. This is going to be the recipient of the NFT. Next is going to be, you want to make sure that the function is atomic match. That is the correct function for buying the NFT. And down at the bottom, you want to make sure that the total matches the price of the NFT, because there is a chance that they had spoofed the listing on OpenSea and raised the price. So that's something you do want to be aware of. So there's two types of transactions that MetaMask will have you do. One of them is a signature and the other is a transaction. So a signature gives MetaMask permissions to do something with the dApp that you're on, and a transaction is then an action on the dApp. So that's the difference between those. Another thing with one-click buy, you'll often have to increase your gas. The way that you do this is, there's a few different ways actually. First being, click the cart to activate the one-click buy, click edit, and then you can either just choose to set the priority to low, medium, or high. But if you would choose to do advanced options, you can do that as well. So gas limit, this is the maximum units of gas that you're willing to use. I would never recommend touching gas limit in the event of a gas war. If you are not highly experienced, this can lead to overpaying greatly with gas. So max priority fee, this is something similar to like a tip to the miner. The higher you set this, the more likely it is your transaction gets picked up. It will increase the price slightly. And there's also a max fee. So this is the most that you're going to be paying. So it's base fee plus priority fee. It will often even be less than this once the transaction goes through, because this is telling you the maximum amount, as in it will never be higher than this. And then to apply these, you just type in any number you want, click save, and then if you confirm, it will apply that gas setting to the transaction. In Compass, there's also another way to apply gas, being instead of clicking on the green cart, just clicking on the listing, then clicking buy now. And that allows you to set a custom priority fee, or you can click instant, fast, or standard, which would be our preset gas settings. So that's a bit about the security that comes with a one-click buy, how to edit your gas on a one-click buy, and what to look out for when a transaction pops up on MetaMask to make sure that it is what you're trying to do. So this is actually a few days later. I had been trying to snipe something with the sniper tool, but failed miserably. So when I am able to successfully snipe something, I will post a separate video of that so you can see it in action. But I had previously explained a little bit about how to use the one-click buy feature, how to understand the security risks of the one-click buy feature, as well as a couple other things about MetaMask transactions. In this clip, I'll go over a bit more about why this section is useful and when it best shines. So the two examples that come to my mind would be during a reveal and on a mispriced listing. If you're monitoring a collection and you notice that the floor is 2 ETH and someone lists for 1 ETH, that would be a time where the one-click buy, or the speed of the one-click buy, would be very useful. The other thing that comes to mind is during a reveal. So say the floor of a collection is 0.5 ETH during the beginning of the reveal. As the collection is revealing and Compass pulls in the rarity rankings, if you see a top 20 listed on the floor, that may be something that you would then want to use the one-click buy feature to get. The reason that this is capable is because the ranking will be pulled onto Compass before the metadata fully refreshes on OpenSea, so you'll see the number on Compass prior to seeing the photo update on OpenSea. So some people may have listed a very rare one, the collection reveals, they were unaware that they got a rare one, and then you'll be able to use the one-click buy to quickly and securely buy it off the floor before anyone else. So this is a bit of a longer video, but it discussed how to use the one-click buy, how to safely use the one-click buy, taught you a little bit about MetaMask and transactions, and how the one-click buy is useful. Hope you enjoyed.